Today, we will look at how to join ongoing non-stop rallies, and I will try to explain the importance of 100 trades. You'll start making money only after the secrets of real statistics. It is the most important aspect of trading. Are you good to go? Let's start then. Let's change the subject a bit today and try to talk about continuous micro scalping of ongoing rallies. Today's top gainer was the TRB coin, a massive rally. First, let's see the price action with the top-down analysis. TRB reacted to this weekly balanced price range area already. It was hanging strongly. Our initial target was this previous week high. And the further target was this nice imbalance above. However, this imbalance was far away, to be honest. When I look at the daily chart, I'll be honest, I do not see anything impressive here in the daily chart. So, for TRB, my only bias is the previous week high and the further imbalance area above. Here is the most crucial part with momentum layout. The rally started way too early with the price switch. You can see those magical imbalance switches with the buyer power and interests. But my question is different. How can we microscope this green rally area in 1 minute? This is a very fast price action. No room for pullbacks. How to do this if we want to make money at the end of the day? Now, you are looking at the 1 minute chart. This is the same green area in the momentum layout, but now using the 1 minute time frame. This is where the momentum price switch happened, and you have missed the early price switch. Now you try to scalp it. This is a 6-7 hours non-stop rally window. What if you sit down on your computer and try to scalp this green rally for hours? But how? You just go to the basics and try to trade every single micro price switch. As you can see, there are around 15 micro switches happening in the 6-hour window. What would happen if you sat and traded every single price switch here on this chart right here? I would start with these easy wins, as you can see. Very nice price switch happens here. Quick grabs from the market. However, as you can see, I would be chopped to death after. I'm sure 100% with the long bias, nothing wrong there. But not every price switch works. Not every strategy works all the time. I would easily get 3 losses in a row here. I know myself. There's nothing I can do. Loss is a loss. Accept and move on. After those 3 losses, I would be much conservative with my trading and cut the trades with break-evens as soon as possible because I don't want to lose my account. Because once you are in a losing streak, you can blow the account if you are not careful. The last part would be a mixture of bags between losses, break-evens, and wins as usual. However, at the end, if you carefully check it out, if I sit in front of my computer for 6-7 hours and try to trade every single price switch inside this mega rally, my winners would outcome the losses and break-evens. At the end of the day, I would be making money. This is what is real trading. We traders never win every single trade. It is impossible. Do you understand the importance of data, mathematics, and statistics? It is all about the end results. One win, one loss, one break-even has no meaning. It does not mean anything. I can lose 3 trades in a row. I can win 5 trades in a row. Every single trade I take today could be break-evens. It does not matter. What matters is, did my account grow after 100 trades taken or not? Okay friends, I hope you slowly understand the secrets of trading. Please do not freak out with a single stop loss. Just relax. See you next time. Take care and never forget to have some fun.